So that right there is a big pile of crap. Here's our first load. We're taking to the dump. We're cleaning up the junk. We're working on this thing that was where he stored his firewood, but the animals have been living in there, so there's feces everywhere. I mean, look at this. Right there. So once again, I have my mask on. Yay! I mean, look at that. It's just feces. Tons of it. Tons of it. Literally tons of it. That's why the box was so heavy. We couldn't just tip it over and take it away because, I mean, the weight of just what's in the bottom there is a ton. So I don't know. Anyway, it's disgusting. And lucky me, I get to wear the mask again. So that right there is a big pile of crap. A big pile of poop. Just dug out. Probably, I'd say, between 6 and 8 inches of the bottom of that thing was all poop. Poop and dirt and they brought in, like, I don't know, little nesting materials like from shredded rope or something. Anyway, it's disgusting. First load, we're taking to the dump. I'm so excited to get rid of a bunch of this junk.